Next, obtain Taylor series to represent 1 by z plus 1 into z plus 3 in mod z less than 1. So here a particular point is not given, but a region is given. Mod z is less than 1. So in this case, we have to write that fraction 1 plus z plus 1 into z plus 3 as we have to convert this as partial fraction a by z plus 1 plus b by z plus 3. So that implies 1 is equal to a into z plus 3 plus b into z plus 1. Then put z as minus 3 so that this is 0. 1 is equal to, this is 0. B into minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. So b is minus 1 by 2. If z is minus 1, 1 is equal to a into minus 1 plus 3, 2. This is 0. So a is 1 by 2. Therefore, this 1 by z plus 1 into z plus 3 is 1 by 2 by z plus 1 minus 1 by 2 by z plus 3. So now we have to expand this term 1 by 2 by z plus 1 minus 1 by 2 by z plus 3 in mod z less than 1. So we are using binomial expansion. Binomial expansion 1 plus x the whole raised to minus 1 is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus etc. If it is 1 minus x the whole raised to minus 1, it is 1 plus x square plus x cube plus etc. This expansion is valid in mod x less than 1. Okay. So here mod z is less than 1. So 1 by 2 by z plus 1 can be written as 1 by 2 by 1 plus z. Okay. So we can expand 1 plus z the whole raised to minus 1. We can take 1 plus z in the numerator. അപ്പോൾ 1 plus z the whole raised to minus 1 ആകും. അപ്പം എക്സിന് പകരം z കൊടുത്തിട്ട് ഈ വാല്യൂ ഈ എക്സ്പാൻഷൻ എഴുതാം. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓക്കെ. ദെൻ സെക്കൻഡ് ടേം 1 by 2 by z plus 3. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ 1 by 2 by z plus 3. ഇതിപ്പം it is not in the form 1 plus x, 1 plus z or 1 minus z. So we can take this 3 outside so that it is 1 plus z by 3. Okay, so it is 1 by 6 into 1 plus z by 3 the whole raised to minus 1. Okay, so we can again apply 1 plus x the whole raised to minus 1 formula, and in the place of x we can put xz by 3. But for that expansion to be valid, mod x is less than 1. So here modulus of z plus z by 3 should be less than 1. So we can check it that modulus of z by 3 is less than mod z. Okay, this is the 1/3 of this one. So this is less than mod z. Mod z is less than 1. So that means mod z by 3 is also less than 1. So it is valid region. Therefore, this becomes 1 by 2 into 1 plus z the whole raised to minus 1 minus 1 by 6 into this minus 1 plus z by 3 the whole raised to minus 1. That is 1 by 2 into 1 minus z plus z square minus z cube etc. minus 1 by 6 into 1 minus z by 3 plus z by 3 the whole square minus z by 3 the whole cube plus etc. So this is the series expansion.